this is another book that I enjoyed. I think this one I read before Fees Must Fall, maybe around the time of Fees Must Fall, actually. Um, Dr. Ramphele was associated with Steve Biko. Um, and the cool thing about them is that they like built a clinic for Black people, and it's such an inspiring story to really understand the life that she and Steve Biko lived and the value of taking initiative to build our communities, which is so important right now during this World War. Uh, I think that one of the big issues that I am really looking forward to the medical scholars to respond to and medical specialists uh, is what the significance of CSIR's research is to the Roads Must Fall movement, our health, and the CrossFit movement. Will we always be reliant on stimulants and harder medical ingredients for effective treatment? And how are we going to balance this need for multivitamins and protein supplements with the complexity of building a nutritious meal? I know that I've had a lot of difficulty with plating the right type of food. It's really important for me to take my multivitamins. And now that we're having like such a wide variety of multivitamins that aren't like properly regulated and stuff, I'm really realizing that the professionals are valuable in that way. I think one of the interesting things about the CSIR movement is that it's organically dismantling the legacy of Cecil John Rhodes. And I look forward to hearing from people like Kumani Makwele and his peers about more constructive ways to engage in politics. I think these women who work for the CSIR and people like Mamphela Ramphele and Steve Kompela are inspiring. Oh my word,